Hello! I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be on painting a picture. I'd like to remind you that I'm not a meditation teacher. I'm a student who's been practicing for the last 9 years and would like to explore the idea that you can meditate anywhere, anytime, on anything. And we can remember what our intention is for meditation. The intention is to be happy and free from suffering, and to wish that for all other beings in the world and in the universe. And we'll remember, what is meditation? Well, the basis of meditation is awareness, and awareness is the knowingness, the thing in your mind that knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. And meditation is just when you recognize what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any moment. So we can meditate painting a picture. If that's what we're doing, then we can meditate on that. I find meditating on painting is very relaxing because there's so many aspects: color, texture, movement, balance, so many different things that you can focus your awareness on. So I've got my colors here. I'm going to start by bringing my awareness to my posture and to the colors that I have in front of me. I picked very bright colors because I'm feeling kind of sleepy and I want to wake myself up. So sometimes doing the opposite of what you're feeling can help. And then I'll be aware of my blank canvas, be aware of myself, my body, my posture, my paint colors, and my blank canvas. And just be present in the moment. And if I have any other thoughts or sensations that come and go, I'll just be present with those and let them come and go, like everything else in my awareness. All right, and if you want to choose a color, if you're painting with me, pick some colors that you are drawn to in the present moment. And notice maybe why you're drawn to them. Like I said, I wanted to be a bit more awake, so I picked bright colors. But maybe you're feeling too awake and you want to chill out, so maybe you're going to pick just some subtle blues or something like that to calm yourself down. That can be a great idea. Or maybe you want to express what you're feeling, so maybe you're feeling angry or depressed or frustration, and you want to have bright reds or dark blacks or grays and different things that express sort of negative emotions. Whatever you feel in the present moment, just be aware. So I'm going to start with my green and white. And I'm just going to just be present with what I do on the canvas and not have any expectation, not have any judgment, and if I have judgment, just be aware of the judgment. Like and dislike are often very present within painting. I'm not sure if I like or dislike what I have already put on, but I'm just going to go with whatever it is. And again, no judgment, no expectation. Sometimes I'll have thicker paint. I'll put thicker paint on my on my knife. Sometimes I'll do thinner. Scrape some off, put some back on. And just notice how it's starting to spread across my canvas. I've got this bright yellow in the middle, these green and blue. And I think I'm going to add some more blue and yellow, and see how those mix together. And I kind of want to change the direction over here, the movement, as it's sort of going back and forth like this, and now I kind of want to bring it in a little bit on this side for some reason. And just notice if I again like or dislike the choices that I make. I'll notice that I definitely feel like I need some more paint. There's a lot of green on here, which I didn't kind of anticipate. But I came in with no expectation. Where's my white? I came in with no expectations, so just try to keep that. And when I get a bit lost in a painting, I like to add white because it kind of redirects what you're doing because the canvas is white. So I'll bring in some pink and just pick some interesting spots to just add some in. Just kind of bring it in. Why not? Don't be afraid of pink and green mixing. I was a bit afraid of green and pink mixing, but now it's kind of interesting. I'm just letting the paint kind of guide me. Again, without expectation, without direction. Just with wonder, curiosity, acceptance. Just being present with whatever occurs in the moment. And sometimes, again, I like or I dislike. I like to use up a lot of the paint on my palette and really mix in the paints. And again, just try to have no expectation. I love it when these colors just all mix together. It's really fascinating to me. It really just becomes this interesting psychedelic sort of journey. And I like to take a break. Just get to know the canvas a little bit more. Do I like or I don't like? And sometimes I like to just put the canvas down for a little bit. But first I like to switch it up and see different angles. See if it looks good upside down, backwards, from farther away. Quite interesting. I hope you enjoyed my painting meditation. It was quite fast. I do paintings quite quickly because I like the look of raw, unmixed paint. I just love the look of that. It just makes me feel excited and intrigued. When paint kind of mixes and doesn't mix and you don't really know the purpose of anything, but it just sort of sets a mood. Well, I hope you enjoyed my painting meditation. Come back for more. Have an awesome day. Bye!